Hey there everybody, Decaff here from YSFlightHeadquarters.com and YSUpload.com, and today we are taking a look at how to use layers in Blender. Now, layers are a very powerful tool in any kind of program, whether it be Photoshop, GIMP, or as we were talking today, Blender. And just as in any other program that you may be thinking about, layering allows us to view certain things at a certain time, and we can turn the layers on or off, and we can control which ones we're seeing, or we can make everything visible. Now, if you just imported an aircraft, there's 3 layers that you're going to find material on, more than likely. The 1, 2, and 6 layer. And on those layers, respectively, we have the visible meshes, like the general fuselage, the invisible meshes, such as like an afterburner when it's not activated. And then we have on the 6th layer all the empties. That's sort of the standard default way that we can use layers for YSFlight. But if we're scratch modeling and we haven't even reached the point of transferring things into YSFlight, we can use layers to make some really cool things. So here's an aircraft that I've got that I am scratch modeling. And you know, whenever we're scratch modeling, we need references. So where are my references? I didn't delete them. That would be kind of silly. What I did was I put them in their own layer. I put them in layer 2. And I've got a little bit of rework here on my cockpit area. So I can have things in layers and view them one at a time. Or if I really want to, I can view things more than once. I can view several layers at the same time. I can do that 2 ways. I can click different layers here while holding the Shift button. Or if I am just trying to select, say, the 1st and 2nd layer, I can hold Shift and press 1 and 2 at the top of my keyboard. And that'll only show me the 1st and 2nd layers. And if I want to deactivate a layer that's visible, or toggle it on and off, whatever you want to use the terminology here for, I hold Shift and press that layer button up at the top of the keyboard. Very powerful stuff here. Now, if we want to view all the layers at the same time, we can hold the tilde key. Press that down and we'll see everything. Now that can be a lot of trouble if we have 1,000,001 empties like some models have. So we can deactivate that by just Shift 6. Straightforward, simple, done. So layers are very powerful. They can control what we're seeing. We can shift between them very quickly. But how do we actually get things into layers? Well, we have 2 ways of doing that. We can either do the nice slow object, move object to layer, or we can just press M. So select an object. In this case, I'm going to select my wings here. And you know, this 3rd layer doesn't have anything in it, so let me plop it in there. I'm going to press the M key. I'm going to press 3 and then hit Enter or click OK. And now if I go to the 3rd layer, there's my wing. Straightforward and simple. So that's how you use layers in YSFlight and Blender. If you got any questions about this, you can throw me a comment down below, send me a PM on YSFlightHeadquarters.com. I'm always happy to try to answer any questions that you have. I hope you can use this really effectively in your work, and I can't wait to see what you make out of this. Until next time, have fun. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to find some cool add-ons for YSFlight, head on over to YSUpload.com, the official add-on hosting site for YSHeadquarters.com.